Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you a unique and highly effective strategy based on the signals of three very important indicators. I will discuss in detail each important aspect, exactly when and how I open a position and what specific signals I look for in the market, and I hope this method will provide you with valuable knowledge. I start by setting up the Donchian Channels, which plays one of the main roles in identifying each entry signals. Let's set the period to 31, turn off the middle line, thicken the lines. Let's set the background color to maybe gray is better. And save. Next indicator is the well-known moving average. Let's increase the period to 45. Leave the color as it is, just thicken the line. The third and final indicator of the method is RSI. Let's reduce the period to 7. The main line is gray, maybe. Upper line is green, lower line is red. Let's turn off the middle line and save. The next process is to set up Japanese candles, 15 seconds. And let's set the trading time to 1 minute. Before starting a trade, I choose best currency pairs. I also try to trade this method when the market is very stable. That is, the candles are moving slowly and not aggressively. Friends, I want to remind you, for those who are interested, the link to register on the platform will be in the video description. Now let's start discussing the moment. As you see on the platform, the green candles reached the upper blue line of the Donchian Channels and touched it. At this particular moment, the previous level was broken. Also, look at the green line of the moving average, which crossed the green candles, and the green candles continue to move also upwards. These two signals are quite convincing, but with the third signal, I confirm that I should open a position in the upward direction, and this is the RSI signal, which I will expand on the next trade because the trade is going to end successfully. It's great to have the first win. The second entry is similar to the previous moment as for the gray line of the RSI. When we open a position in the upward direction, it must necessarily has crossed its own green line and move above its own green line. This is a necessary factor to confirm the signal of the other two indicators. That is, as you can see, the green line of the moving average has been crossed by a green candle. Also, the candles touch the blue line above the Donchian Channels, and we also have a third RSI confirmation signal. It turns out that all three indicators in combination confirm the upward trend. Next time I will try to find a moment to open a position in the downward direction as well, in order to better develop the method. And it's great. I won again and again. As you see, I found a bearish moment where I open a position in the downward direction. It's a very good moment, but if I had found this moment sooner, it would have been better. Now it's a little late, but overall it's an ideal situation. As you see here too, the green line of the moving average crossed the red candles, and the red candles touched the lower blue line of the Donchian Channels and continue to move downwards. Also, the gray line of the RSI is moving below its own red line. And as you see, the bearish situation is the same, and we do not have any special changes. I hope this position will also be closed successfully. And great, it's great that I want the third entry as well. I think the candles will go lower, but I think it's better to end the trade here. I would also like to share with you that when I use this trading method, the most successful trades were made when, along with the coincidence of all indicators, a certain trend was formed in the same direction. Overall, the method works incredibly effective, and I personally like it very, very much. I wish you successful and profitable trading days, and thank you for your attention and time, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.